Page 42, Sarabande. A very, very slow dance. Let's look it over. It's a page long, treble bass clef, one flat in the key signature. This is in the key of D minor. Make sure you can do the scales and arpeggios for F major and D minor. And 3/2 signature. So there's 3 beats in a measure. We've had that before, but now a half note gets a count, which means that a quarter note gets half a count. 1 and 2 and 3. All right. It is slow. But we're feeling it in 3 here. So it's here at the beginning. 2, 3. And I want to connect these if I can. And that's why I'm doing a 1, 2, 3 here. They say here, you can do that. I just want to connect the top note if I can, because I'm not using pedal. 3. And measure 7. I use a 4 on the second one because the little finger now is ready. And we do that some more. Okay. Last line, measure 13, you're here. I want to connect the top note if I can. Might not be pretty, but I want to connect it. So fingering I'm using is... I come over, because you can come over just like you can come over the thumb if you relax. You can come over the little finger if you relax. I just do that. And then once I play it with 4, I'm immediately putting 5 on it. I do a finger substitute on that top note real quick. So here, because I need 5th finger on that note. So again, the last 2 measures is here, and then here. Put 5th finger on that here, and that way I can and hold these half notes down. Yeah, that's how I'm fingering it. Left hand, you just play it. Just make sure you can connect these if you can. Now measure 8. Look out. See, those 2 notes are together. Then I put the hands together and see just how it feels. Rest. Rest. I just put the hands together slowly, and then I'll go back over it slowly and get rid of any hesitations. Then I'll add in the articulation, and here it's connected. Just connect it as best you can. You have to look up for the rest. Otherwise, connect it. Then the dynamics. It's going to apply to the melody, which is right hand. Technically, it's the top note in the right hand. But if you can't bring out the one note, just play the right hand louder. Louder. So forth. So you can do the dynamics. Just keep the left hand out of the way. It's the right hand we want to hear. And then the speed, the largo is slow. It is really slow. Take a 1 and 2 and subdivide the beats all the way through, because that'll help you stay slow. Because if you just go 1, 2, 3, as you do this, you will slowly speed up. Because you just naturally want to go a certain speed, and this is way slower than what you want to go. So if you'll subdivide the beats, it'll help you stay slow. 1 and 2 and 3 and like so. 2 and 3. Something of that nature. I may have sped that up a little bit toward the end. I just trying to keep the beat steady. A steady quarter note, but we want to feel it in 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2.